Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Zach King magic tricks, updated. Start by practicing timing, camera angles, and smooth hand movements to hide props and create seamless illusions. Record short clips, review frame by frame, and trim to the exact moment for a clean cut. Use consistent lighting and simple costumes to avoid distracting the viewer. Test reactions and pacing with friends until the change feels natural and surprising every time. Plan every detail before you touch the camera so edits feel intentional and magical. Break the trick into setup, action, and payoff, and mark the exact second where cuts should happen. Practice the motion slowly, then speed it up while recording multiple takes. Keep props and wardrobe identical between takes to avoid jarring differences. Aim for a surprising yet inevitable conclusion that makes viewers smile and rewatch. Quick recommendation: if you love reading while commuting between shoots or ideating trick concepts, the new Kindle Paperwhite is a great companion with a crisp display and long battery life. It fits in small bags and keeps scripts and notes handy without glare. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Edit with precision to create the illusion of impossible movement and object swaps. Match frames so hands, eyes, and props line up perfectly across cuts, then use masks to hide seams. Feather transitions slightly and color match clips to maintain continuity. Layer light sound effects to cue the trick and boost impact. Preview at normal speed and slower speeds to catch tiny mismatches you can fix before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.